Hey guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the auto reframe button in Filmora 10. So this is Filmora 10.5. So if you are in Filmora 10.4 or Filmora 9, you have to upgrade to this version to get this feature. Okay, so actually this feature is very easy. Just a way you can convert your video into different aspect ratio, and they are trying to use a motion tracking and also some artificial intelligence to reframe your video. By the way, I keep my opinion that I think this feature is not very necessary for you. Okay, so right now I'm inside Filmora 10, and actually you can access to this auto reframe button right at the start page. By the way, you can also use this button inside when you are inside Filmora 10. Okay, so here this is the image. So we mentioned that you cannot use the auto reframe button with the image. Okay, so this is the video that I'm going to use for this tutorial. Supposing that I want to convert this video, this is a 16:9 aspect ratio, to a square video, 1:1, or a portrait video like 9:16 or stuff like that. What I need to do here is to right click at the video inside the media library. Okay, so right here, right click and then select auto reframe. So this is the auto reframe button where you can access at the start page, and now we can click here to open up a new window. Okay, so this is a new window for the auto reframe button. Right here we have the aspect ratio. You can select any aspect ratio here to convert your video into this one. For example, this is 16:9, so I'm going to select 1:1 aspect ratio here, and they have different aspect ratio here for you to choose. Okay, so let's say 1:1. And the next thing, we need to select the motion speed. So for motion speed, we have auto, fast and slow, and actually they are trying to design this feature to move the cameras when panning the camera, panning from left to right, and keep the aspect ratio at the center. Okay, so that is the theory for this function. So we can select auto because I think fast or slow motion doesn't affect my video. Okay, and then the next thing, you need to click this button to analyze the video. Okay, so let's click analyze. So it is converting video. Please wait. So if your video is short, the converting process will be fast, but if it is a long video, then it takes a lot of time. Okay, so here we have the percentage here, 3%, 4%, or stuff like that. We have to wait until it finishes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so when it finishes converting, you can preview the video. Like here, it will have a frame here right inside your video, and then you can hit this play button to preview your video and to see if the reframe function works well with you or not. Okay, so you can play here. For example, now you will see when the program will try to track something inside your video and adjust the frame. So now it is adjusting the frame according to my face and the character. Okay, and being mentioned that you can adjust the frame manually also. For example, at this position, I want to adjust the frame a little bit here, then I'm going to adjust it to this area. Okay, so now you will see a keyframe here. Filmora will add a keyframe for your adjustment. Okay, and then we can play. Go ahead and play. It will automatically adjust the frame to the center. So if you move the frame to left or right, and then it will add a keyframe, and then it will move to the center. I hope it makes sense. That is the adjust frame button here. If you don't want to adjust the frame, you can disable this button. You can click here to disable the adjustment with the frame. Okay, and now I'm going to turn it on again, and also move to this area, and then I'm going to adjust the frame to this side to just show you about the keyframe here. And then we can play again, and it will be on the left side, on the right side, and then move to the center. Okay, So that is about the keyframe in this auto reframe button. And here being mentioned that you can replace the video also. If you want to change it to other aspect ratio, then you can change it, and then you can click restart to do it again. Okay, and finally, when you are happy with the result, you can click here at the export button to export this video, this reframe video to another video. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, to click the export, and then you can put a name here, that's number 5, number 6 or stuff like that, and you select a location to save your video. Okay, so this is my default folder. I can select this folder, and now I'm going to click this button to export the video, and that's done. Okay, so that is how you can use the auto reframe button in Filmora 10.5. and I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you want to upgrade to this new version, you can download the installation file from Wondershare, or you can click the link I put in the description to download and reinstall it, or you can check for update right inside the software. Okay, that's enough for today's tutorial. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.